here's going to be with you 24/7, keep you fat. Keeps you in effect, keeps you in funny. Am I right, Kevin? You're just like that home on the TikTok. I'm going to fatten you up, grow to love you, and then my uncles will slit your throat.